Looking for a name for your dog? Here are 10 popular choices with simple meanings. Number 1. Max, a short, strong name that's easy for dogs to learn. Number 2. Bella means beautiful in Italian, perfect for a pretty dog. Number 3. Charlie, friendly and classic, works for any breed. Number 4. Luna means moon in Latin, often for calm or gentle dogs. Number 5. Rocky sounds tough, great for strong or active dogs. Number 6. Daisy, sweet like the flower, fits a cute or gentle dog. Number 7. Milo, fun and playful, easy to call out. Number 8. Buddy means friend, great for a loyal dog. Number 9. Coco, cute and simple, often for brown-colored dogs. Number 10. Bailey, friendly and cheerful, works for male or female dogs. And last, don't forget to subscribe and like this channel.